Good evening. We can start now materialui installation. So before that we need to start how to install materialui. Open your terminal. From me Visual Studio is my terminal. Let's create the materialui application. Npx create react app react demo moi dash dash template typescript. So what happened here, you can install all the packages for the materialui. So it will be take some time to install purpose. Okay, we need to wait for some time. So here you can see npx mention create react app, this one your extension, and react demo moi, this one my folder structure, and this one create one template for you and using typescript. You can see here is creating template for me. Okay, almost installation completed. So I need to move to particular folder. CD space react demo. Okay, npx npm start. Okay, so you can see it's running localhost 3002. By default it is the 3000. Whenever you need to open or run again and even npx start, so localhost IP will be changed every time. You can see your React application created successfully and it's loading in your browser. The next step, what happened, we need to install materialui. So here you can see materialui website. Next one is need to move to the install. So you can copy this one and you can paste here. Okay, so it will automatically install. Same time we need to check it's installed in my system perfectly or not. We need to move to the folder structure. So you can see here import packages. Okay, so So it's not installed. We need to open again our terminal, and one more time I need to run that on materialui. You can see a modification added here. You can see materialui here, MUI material. So almost installation completed. So we need to move to the app folder, app.txt. So here unnecessary this header part we need to remove, and some unnecessary this logo we don't require now. Just save it. So you can see here. Okay. So it's working fine. You can see it's blank because I deleted all the header file here. So this one is the installation process. So next step we need to move to the typography of materialui. Thank you for watching my video.